You're listening to AI Prism from Seoul Economic Daily.
If you're holding Samsung Electronics or SK Hynix right now, or an ETF built around them, here's what you need to know. The KOSPI bounced back today, up 0.62% to close at 7,291.91. But individual investors sold off $842 million worth of stock, even as the market rose. Two stocks and their leverage products now make up 83% of all trading. That's the story behind the swings. And this week, regulators had to publicly deny a rumor about new limits on leveraged ETFs. It's Friday, July 10th. Let's look at what this means for retail investors in Korea. The KOSPI had fallen for 3 straight sessions, losing nearly 20% from its recent peak. Investors grew doubtful about how long the AI and semiconductor rally could last. Newly launched single-stock leverage ETFs on Samsung Electronics and SK Hynix made the swings sharper. Here's what the numbers show. Individual investors net sold 1.27 trillion won, about $842 million, even as the index gained ground Wednesday. Samsung Electronics and SK Hynix, combined with their leverage ETFs, now account for 83.1% of total trading value, up from 30% before single-stock leverage products launched in late May. Short-selling loan balances on the two stocks jumped to a combined 38.9% of the market total, up from 32.1% a month earlier. Analysts flagged 7,000 as the psychological support level for the KOSPI, with the 100-day moving average at 6,840 as a secondary floor. The Financial Services Commission denied a viral rumor this week, claiming regulators would cap leveraged ETF price swings at 20%. The US 10-year Treasury yield climbed to 4.581%, its highest level since May, as Middle East tensions pushed oil prices higher. So, what does this mean for retail investors weighing their next move? Earlier, we said two stocks now drive 83% of trading. That concentration means your ETF or index fund moves with Samsung and SK Hynix, whether you intended that or not. Rising short-selling positions and elevated US bond yields signal more volatility ahead, not less. Before making any changes, it's worth watching whether the 7,000 level holds and how upcoming Samsung and SK Hynix earnings land. That's today's AI Prism, Retail Investors. This episode was produced with AI assistance based on Seoul Economic Daily reporting and reviewed by a human editor. AI Prism is a Won IFRA award-winning series. We'll be back tomorrow.
You've been listening to AI Prism from Seoul Economic Daily.